In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this fascinating iZoom transition in Filmora 10. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more creative ideas. For this, I need an extreme close-up of an eye. Drag and drop the eye clip onto the first video track on the timeline. Keep the same project settings. Duplicate the video clip. Make sure the clips are aligned with each other. Right-click on this video clip and select Freeze Frame from the menu. Play back the clip to find the right spot where the eye is completely open to start the transition from here. Trim the video from the first video track at where the freeze frame starts. Trim the video on the second video track and leave only the freeze frame. Drag and drop the next video clip below the freeze frame. Now with those two clips ready, I'm going to apply a mask to the pupil now. Go to the top left effect window, find the image mask under the utilities section. Drag and drop it onto the freeze frame to adjust the shape mask. Double click on the freeze frame clip. Find the shape mask settings on the top left video setting window. Check the video effect and the invert mask. Adjust a little bit to let the mask reviews only the pupil. Set the feather to the maximum. Now let's add keyframes to zoom in from the eye. Move the playhead to the start of the freeze frame. Double click on the freeze frame on the timeline. Go to the animation tab. To add a keyframe at the start of the freeze frame, click on add. We don't need to change any settings in this keyframe. Move the play hat to the right for a few frames and add another keyframe. As we are zooming in, I'll increase the number of the scale in the second frame. Also, I'm changing the rotation number to add more motion to this effect. Adjust the X and Y to keep the pupil at the center. Move the playhead a few frames to the right of the third keyframe, and I'm going to adjust the scale, rotation, and position in this keyframe to make sure the pupil occupies the whole frame. Now I add the final keyframe in the same way and scale it up to the maximum. I'm going to cut the second clip, where I need to stop. Now let's play back the timeline and see how the transition looks. The transition looks so nice. But I'm going to add one more default transition to make it look smoother. Let's move the second clip of the first video track to the right. Copy and paste the freeze frame onto the first video track. Put it below the first freeze frame. Shorten the copied freeze frame. Double click on the copied freeze frame and go to the top left video setting window. Uncheck the shape mask. Now we have a clip with the same keyframe without a shape mask. Drag the clip we want to transition to, next to the copied freeze frame on the first video track. Go to the transition window on the top left, find dissolve and drop it in between the copied freeze frame and the video behind it. And that's the last step of this transition. Let's check out how it looks. That's how to create an iZoom transition using Filmora 10. Leave a comment and let us know what you need to know in Filmora 10. See you next time.